And as we honor the land, may the blessing of the harvest moon fill this lovely plant with life and beauty. If possible.
Don't waste your breath, Muriel. Nothing ever grows here. Nothing ever will. I'm done trying.
Oh!
Rotten soil. Let's eat.
Oh, my.
Get out.
I must be hearing things.
Get out.
I am hearing things, and I'm hearing a voice saying,
Get out.
yes, that's right.